Hey guys, welcome to Life Elite Fitness. Today we are going to show you how to use your new gym. So first off, when heading into the gym, you're going to want to find an area of the gym that's just free. So a lot of times they have like a stretching area designated for people. It'll have like a turf or just some there might be a room that's free anywhere like that. Just try to stay away from any equipment or free weights just because those are typically areas that people are going to be actually working out. So if you want to warm up, try to find like a corner of the gym that's not being used and somewhere where you can sit down and stretch. And the first thing we're going to do is start off with some foam rolling. Foam rolling is so important, and everybody should foam roll before doing any sort of workout. It causes your muscles to actually be forced to stretch, and it stretches out muscles that a lot of times don't get the proper attention. So you're really going to notice a difference in how you feel before and after a workout when you foam roll first. So you can do your legs, your back, you can even do your obliques, you can do your arms. There's a lot of things you can do with a foam roller, but legs and back are pretty typical. And we actually have a whole IGTV video on how to use a foam roller. So if you want to go check that out on our Instagram, that can give you more details on that.
Okay, so after you do your foam rolling, you're going to go ahead and do some dynamic stretching. This just means that you're stretching out muscles but through movements. So you're never holding one static position. I always start with my head and I work my way down to my legs. We're just going to go ahead and move through every joint and just try to really loosen up that body.
Okay, so next up we're going to head over to the treadmill or to an elliptical. I like to start on the treadmill just because it's easy and there's a lot of them. So you're going to head over to a treadmill and we're going to bump up the incline to about a 1 or a 2 incline. If you don't want to do an incline, you don't have to, but this is just going to activate your legs and your hamstrings a little bit. And then we're going to pick it up to about a 4 to about a 5 mile an hour pace, depending on what feels like a good fast walking pace for you. This is just to get the heart rate up. This shouldn't be a jog, and we're going to keep this pace for about 10 minutes.
So with being new to a gym, I highly recommend going ahead and using the cable machines. We used to call these Nautilus machines because that was the company that brought them out. But now all different fitness companies use these machines. But the nice thing about them is they keep your body in alignment and you don't have to focus too much on your technique and exercise, and you're able to do clean reps. That's the big thing when it comes to starting at the gym, is making sure that we're not putting the body in any weird positions where you're actually hurting yourself versus benefiting.
So another great thing, kind of like we touched on a minute ago regarding these machines, is they don't require you to really know your form. A lot of them have pictures of exactly what muscle groups this is going to be working and how you complete the exercise. Some even have QR codes that you can scan if you really want like a tutorial of how to do it. But the big thing here is they can be customized to fit your body. So the sizes typically range from either 1 going up to like 5, and 1 would be the smallest size, 5 would be the largest. So if you're really tall, that would be, you'd be leaning toward 5, and if you're really short, you'd go toward 1. Sometimes it is small and to extra large as well.
So starting out, I recommend just having 1 plate stacked. That way you can figure out your alignment in the machine and making sure your body is doing the correct form. After that, then you can start picking the weight that's going to be best for your 20 reps or less. Rep count wise, we like to keep it, especially starting out, higher reps, lower weight. I believe that you should do between 20, no more than 20 reps, but no less than 10.
So once you're sure you're in alignment, you can add on that weight. And again, we said anywhere between 15 and 20 reps to start. And we like to do 3 sets of each exercise. So you can pair muscle groups together as far as chest and back. So go find a chest machine and a back machine, or quads and hamstrings, or glutes and abs, anything like that. You can also pair, if you know some body weight exercises you want to throw in, you could do a weighted exercise along with a body weight exercise, whatever works for you and whatever you're feeling that day.
So after you get through your weightlifting routine, it's time to go ahead and do a nice cool down. I always recommend doing stretching. During this stretching routine, it's usually about 10 minutes, but it gives your body just a chance to really let loose of the lactic acid that you've built up, and letting that inflammation move around. The big thing with this style of stretching is you are going to hold the positions for about 20 seconds each. So we're no longer doing the active stretching like we started with, or the foam rolling. This is static stretching is what you're looking at.
So we hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you'd like to see more videos about how to use your gym, so maybe free weights or cable machines, or just different styles of workouts, whatever, just let us know in the comments. We'd love to make some of those videos for you. And again, subscribe. We make lots of workout videos, lifestyle videos, healthy living, cooking tutorials. We have a lot of different content like that. So we hope to see you around again. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon. If you like this video, you're going to love the Life Elite Sweetheart Challenge starting on February 1st, going through February 14th. This is a free workout challenge for couples and spouses, or you could just do it by yourself if you're your own sweetheart, but it's going to be so much fun. And we're going to have new workouts every single day leading up to Valentine's Day, with a lot of other fun, sweet surprises to go with it. So you're definitely going to want to check it out. The link is in our description box to sign up for this free challenge.